Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and set up Java on a Windows 11 machine. First, open your web browser. In a new tab, type Oracle Java Download and hit Enter. Click on the first link that says Java Downloads. This will take you to the official Oracle Java Downloads page. Next, scroll down until you see Java 20. Keep scrolling until you find the section for different operating systems like Linux, Mac, and Windows. Under the Windows section, find the option for the 64-bit installer. Click on the download link for the .x file. Once you click the link, the .x file will start downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. After the download is complete, open the folder where the .exe file is saved and double-click on it to start the installation. When the installation starts, click on the Next button. You'll see a default installation directory. Leave it as it is and click Next again. The installation process will begin and should only take a minute. Once it's done, click the Close button. Now, let's check the installation location. Open this PC, go to the C drive, then navigate to the Program Files folder. Inside, you'll find a folder named Java. Open the bin folder inside the JDK20 directory, then copy the path from the address bar. Next, we need to set up the environment variables. Go to the Start menu and search for Environment Variables. Click on Edit the System Environment Variables. In the Environment Variables window, you'll see sections for user variables and system variables. First, let's add a new user variable. Click New, then type Java_home in the variable name field, using all capital letters. In the variable value field, paste the path you copied earlier, which is the JDK20 directory location. Click OK. Now, under the System Variables section, find the path variable and click Edit. Click New to add a new entry. Type the following, %java_home%bin. This references the Java home directory that we just set up and points directly to the bin folder. Click OK to save the changes and then click OK on all the windows to close them. Now that we've set the environment variables, let's make sure everything is working. Go to the Start menu, open the command prompt and type Java, version, then press Enter. You should see the version number confirming that Java is installed, which means we've successfully downloaded and set up Java on your Windows 11 machine. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.